What's up, everybody? Welcome to JG Eats, brought to you by Stovetopyumyum. And today, it's all about that dip. And today we're making spinach artichoke dip. Okay, we got our onions and green pepper. Sauteing it, getting it all ready. With our vegetable oil, if I didn't mention that. Also, we're going to put our garlic in here. 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget, 2 cloves of garlic. Oh man, that smells amazing already. That smells incredible. Today we're using 2 tablespoons of mango. It's amazing mango. We don't have to put a lot. Oh man, look at that. That's the holy mango. Incredible. No salt, no sugar. No gluten, artificial flavor. Oh my God. Look at that, folks. That smells so good. This is going to be our base to our roux, like I said. Looking incredible. Looking amazing. Okay, now we're going to put our butter in. Going to get that butter all mixed in there. Okay. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to get that in there. We're going to mix it in real quick. This is to make our roux thickening agent. As you can tell, it's coming along real great. Look at that. Oh man, this is what you want. This is what you want to see when you're building. You know your roux is ready when you don't smell the flour anymore. Oh, don't smell the flour. That's looking real good. Now we're going to put our half and half in there. Half a cup, and then half a cup of water. It's going to be our base for our dip. It's be an incredible dip. I can smell like mango. This is going to be so amazing. I think it needs a little more water. Now we're going to add our cream cheese. An 8-ounce bar of cream cheese, folks. Thickening is looking good. Okay. Now we're going to add a 7-ounce jar of artichoke hearts, chopped. All of that in the mix, in the bechamel. Make sure you lower your heat when you're doing this. So medium low. You don't want it to burn. This is going to be incredible. Now we're going to add our spinach. It seems like a lot, but it will wilt. Let me get that in there. Now we're going to preheat our oven at 350, and we're going to top it off with some mozzarella cheese. Hey guys, just to let you guys know, I did add a little black pepper just to give it a little zing. Hey folks, don't forget to spray your pan. I'm pouring it in the pan right here. I'm going to get all that goodness in there. I'm going to get all that in there. Now we're going to top it with our mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to put our dip in the oven at 350 to 20 to 25 minutes. There it goes. When we come back, we're going to try it together. Now it's out the oven. You got to give it a taste test. Look at that cheese spoon, folks. That's amazing. That is so creamy. Look at that. Gotta put over this thing. That's awesome. You know my motto, Stovetop Yum Yum. Let's go.